Hello, Happy New Year. It's Jennifer Sparks. Today we are going to be in Atlantic City, New Jersey, and we're going to be checking out Harrah's. This video is filmed mid-December 2023. In this video today, we're going to be checking out a room in the waterfront tower that has 2 queen beds. But that's not the room I was supposed to get. I somehow was able to book on the Caesars app a comp suite in the waterfront tower, like a huge suite from a Saturday to a Tuesday. I was so excited. I invited my cousin from Connecticut. She drove all the way here thinking we were going to get a suite, and they gave us this. Not that this is bad. It's a great room, but I thought I was going to get a suite. What would you do if this happened to you? If I had to choose, I think the waterfront tower would be my favorite tower in all of Harrah's. It's not perfect. The room itself was very clean, but it was showing a little bit of wear. The bathrooms feel very luxurious and spacious. Is this a bad room? No, not at all, but it wasn't what I was expecting. I think the thing that irked me the most is I paid $30 to check in early, thinking this was going to be a suite so that I could have it all ready and set for when my cousin arrives from Connecticut. So I was a little surprised when I actually opened the door and saw that it was just a regular room. I apologize. I hope this video isn't coming off right away as negative. It really isn't. I love Harrah's. I just want to share with you my experience in case you have a suite booked in your future coming up. My cousin Pinky has arrived. She's going to sign up for a Caesars Players card, but they also talked her into getting the Caesars Rewards credit card, which automatically put her into platinum. I have been playing forever, and I'm still stuck in gold. Signing up that day gave her a free voucher for Mccormick and Scmicks. The voucher was for a free appetizer, but you had to get an entree to get that. I'm trying to figure out this now, but I believe this was the lump crab cake that came with fries that was on the appetizer menu. And also the shrimp wrapped in bacon was the free appetizer that she received. I will discuss more what happened with the suite when we hit the slot machines. This video is just moving along too fast. Now we're going to the Eden Lounge. The Eden Lounge is one of my favorite things about Harrah's. And being Christmas time made it even cooler. It was decorated to the hilt for Christmas. The Eden Lounge is a video poker lounge that also has live music, but not every night like Hard Rock. So I still have to give it to Hard Rock for best entertainment for a video poker lounge. But I do say this one has the best comp drinks. You could get anything you pretty much want if you're sitting there playing the video poker machines, which I love. This is so much fun. So we started with the Cosmo. Then there was some White Russians involved. Hard Rock will give you comp drinks too, but it's more like beer and wine. Nothing like a Cosmo or martini, nothing fancy. So we chilled, played some video poker, and discussed what we wanted to do next. Do we stay at Harrah's for 3 nights, or do we move over to the boardwalk where we could have live music every night? The Harrah's does have comp Christmas martinis. For those of you that are watching that are new to Atlantic City, Harrah's is not on the boardwalk. It's on the bay side. It's kind of like its own little thing. It's a great resort. It's just not on the boardwalk if that's what you're looking to do. Harrah's does have one of the best indoor pools in all of Atlantic City. There is an upcharge for it, though. You have to pay to get in unless you're a high roller with Caesars. I do have videos of the pool, as well as full resort tours and other videos that I have created. I will leave a playlist at the end of this video. Just click on it if you want to see my other videos that I've created about Harrah's, as well as another playlist that has other resort tours of different resorts and casinos in Atlantic City. So if you're new to Atlantic City and you don't know where to stay, my channel is going to be an awesome resource for you. So hit that subscribe button and come hang out with me. Now I'm going to take you to the casino. This was my first time playing Carnival, and I had pretty good luck. Okay, so this is what happened. So I got the regular room. I'm like, gosh, this isn't a suite. I have my cousin coming all the way from Connecticut. I don't want to disappoint her. So if it were just me, I'd be like, oh, whatever, it's just me. So I went down to the desk and I was like, what happened? I was supposed to get a suite. And they're like, I don't know what happened. We don't give out comp suites, especially on weekends. And I said, well, how much would it cost for a suite? And they said, we don't even have any available. Then I was like, I wouldn't have paid $30 to check in early had I known that it was just a regular room. I could have kept my bags in the car, you know? And they're like, well, there's nothing we can do about that. You already have your room. So I was kind of screwed. They said I could call Caesars Entertainment, which I did, and they were no help either. So basically we have another regular room for the night, and we just have to decide whether we're gonna stay here for 3 nights or if we're gonna check out early and go somewhere else. I think my poor luck at the front desk was rewarded in the casino floor, which hell, that's more important. The money I made in the casino paid for the $30 that I had to pay them to check in early to a room that I didn't really want. So I've been going back and forth in my head about even discussing this situation, about this room on this video. I like to keep everything always very positive, but I want to warn anybody that has a suite booked. Maybe you want to call Harrahs first and make sure you're going to get it before you make the effort going there, especially if you're only going there because of the suite, like I was. What would you have done? Would you have made a bigger stink than I did? I really didn't. I just kind of let it go. And I just said, okay, I'll just pay for the $30. I'll pay for the resort fee. And tomorrow I'm going to check out and I'm going to go to the boardwalk. Where are we going to go? I'm here with my cousin. She's here from Connecticut. She hasn't been to Atlantic City in years. I want to give her the greatest experience. I love ocean. I love Borgata. Oh, Tropicana. I love that. That's so much fun. But we're going to go over to Hard Rock. I checked the website and I was able to get 2 night comp rooms there too. So I'm really excited. It's not a suite, but at least it's on the boardwalk. We could walk to resorts. There's a lot of options of staying in Hard Rock. Or maybe I should just stay here. I mean, gosh, the casino seems to love me today. I did pretty well. But trust me, it's not always like this. This was just a random good night for me. And I ended up putting a lot of it back because my strategy is I don't like to bet high on my own money. But if the casino gives me some money to play with, then I get a little braver with my bets because that's when you're going to hit a jackpot. If you're big betting to start with, but I never big bet on my own money. I only big bet when they give me some extra money to play with. We are now in a bonus round on Quick Hit Blitz. This is one of my favorite games. I like playing this game because there is an opportunity, even on a very small bet, that you could hit a substantial amount of money. Nothing crazy like a hand pay or anything, but on a 40, 50 cent bet, there's a possibility that you may get, $100 or $200. In this bonus round, you want the blitzes to appear on the board because if you get the specific amount of blitzes that you're required, it comes down to the next upgrade value, which gets to be into good money. I won $126 on this upgrade, but the next upgrade would have been $256. That's when things start to get really exciting. Didn't happen, but I was happy with $126. That's awesome. Then I went to jump around. I went back to the regular quick hit. Didn't do too bad, another $50. Now I have to go find Pinky and see how she's doing. Gonna hit up Taza, get a coffee and a quick snack before bed, and discuss what we're gonna do tomorrow. We decided to go to Hard Rock. Today is New Year's Day 2024, and I actually had Harrahs booked tonight for the suite, and I ended up canceling it. We ended up deciding to go to Harrahs in Cherokee, North Carolina instead. So look out for those videos in the future. This is your host and your tour guide, Jennifer Sparks. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Check out my playlist for more videos and information about Atlantic City. But whatever you do, book that trip, pack your bags and go. Safe travels to you and Happy New Year.